How it's going on, guys? Welcome to a new video, and in this video I'll be going to show you that how we can design a real EasyTech logo in Canva. Okay, so Canva is a very easy and user-friendly website where you can design anything. Okay, so I have given link in the description. Just click on this link and it will redirect you here. Okay, from here there are thousands and tons of the free templates where you can design your own logo. As you can see here, there are countless number of free designs available. Just make sure you have a little bit designing knowledge and you are really good to go and design your own logo for free. Okay, so here are professional contributors who contribute to this community, and they can for a lot of design templates for you so that you design your own logo. Okay, so as you can see here, you can check it out here. Okay, so there are a lot of free and design available where you can design your own logo. You can, on this website, you can also edit your own video, and you can create the YouTube channel intro, outro, etc. like that. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, so here you can design the gaming logos, and I'm gonna pick this one. Okay, so as for the demonstration purpose. Okay, so now the new window has been opened, and here we go. So this is the canvas where your design is shown, so you can change this name. Okay, it has been set to own. You can keep it to your own name. Okay, so whatever choice of your company or EasyTech is. Okay, so this is some sort of, okay, James EasyTech. Okay, so here you can put the slogan. Okay, so make sure you can also change the color of this texture. Okay, so this is the clip art. I'm gonna change its color. I have resized it, and here, as you can see, you can change the color. Okay, as you can see, it has been changing. Okay, in this way you can do it. So if you want to change the color of the other portion of the clip art, just simply click on that, and you are good to go. Okay, so you can change it, as you can see here. Okay, and it really looks wonderful. Okay, so as you can see here, wow, the design looks awesome. Okay, so in this way you can choose the right color for your requirements. Okay, and you're really good to go. In this way you can design the logo. Okay, so if you want to change the background color, from here you can change that as well. Okay, so make sure to keep the color correction, font, text, and clip art according to your requirements. Okay, so whatever your requirement is, just make sure to keep these changes according to your requirements. Okay, so apart from this, here are other free templates also available on this canva.com website, where you can visit, and you can customize these templates according to your requirements. Okay, so from elements you can choose other elements, and if you want to put in the logo. So if you want to put this circle in the logo, you want to use it, and just make sure align it to the center, and I'm gonna resize it, and here we go. So it has been perfectly assigned to the I'm gonna keep its opacity a little bit, this one, and I'm gonna change its color to this one, and as you can see here, now I'm gonna change its position and send it to backward. Okay, so the circle has been pushed to backward. Okay, and it looks very good. Okay, in this way. So as you can see here, it is very easy to do the things in the Canva. Okay, so if you want to put the line underneath the text, you can just check it out, pick up the line, and you are good to go. Okay, so in this way you can put this line, and you can easily design your logo according to your requirements. It is quite and simple, easy to do this task. Okay, in the Canva, and from Canva you can also design the multiple templates for your requirements, like logos, video editing, gaming, intros, outros, music, photos, clip arts, pngs, audio. A lot of stuffs are available here for you, and just make sure to visit this website and you are good to go. Okay, so if you want to change this one, okay, you can replace with this one. Okay, As you can see here, I have pick up this home clip art, and I'm going to change its color to this one, okay, and it will be this one, okay. So it will be look really good, and this one, okay. So apart from this, if you are confused about the designing, just let me know in the comment section, and I will really and definitely help you, okay. So make sure to subscribe the channel for the recent post videos and notification, and you will get awesome and tech related or designing video editing related knowledge on my channel, okay. So this was some sort of logo designing for your real estate. You can design in this way, okay. So this is just for the illustration purpose, okay. If you wanna high quality, so just upgrade your account, you will be able to download the design logo in a high quality, and also you can access to the paid resources on the Canva website, okay. So this was some sort of introduction about that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure like it, and apart from this, you can also download it, this design, okay. Look at the top of the right corner. From there you can download this one, okay. So here you can add the other text as well, okay, to your design. So see you in the next video.